What's up? Welcome back to my channel, Teresa Talks. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Like, I already know you're gonna like it, so just subscribe. Today, I wanna show off my new palette that I just got. It's from HUDA. I always get mixed up when I say it. HUDA Beauty. HUDA Beauty Neon Pink palette. Look at her, isn't she cute? Ooh, I literally haven't even taken her out of the packaging. It's clear, it's cute, right? But it takes a second, hang on. Let me, girl. Let me see. Ooh, mommy, look at her. Yes, okay. Has she got a mirror? She has a mirror. These are the shades. Nakena. Anyways, so we're gonna play with it. I literally bought this this one for this shade right here. Look at me. Let me just dip into it really quick. Can you even see it reflecting? Maybe. Let's see. Look at her. Isn't she so sparkly and pretty? That's why I got it. It's like a pinky, really light pink. I don't know if you can see it in this lighting. Shimmer. And like literally it's just a shimmer. I don't feel like it's like a metallic, but it has glitter flakes. I don't know. But I really, really like her because she's not like pow, glitter in your face. But she's subtle. She's subtle. Okay. So let's dive on in. Shall we? I'm gonna do a look with just this palette. I'm probably gonna add brown from a different palette. I wish this one had a brown tone in there. It has like an orange, pinks, and purples. Oh, look at this one. I didn't even play with this one last time. Let's see that one. Girl, who you playing? Who are you playing? Wow, that's pretty. Wow, let's get started. Okay, for the transition shade, I'm gonna use this lightest one in the corner here and put this above my crease, you know, just as a transition shade, like hello. Ooh, she's bright, okay. I thought she was gonna be lighter. You know what it is? It's this brush. She sucks. Let's get this one. What is this one? We got some color on that one, but who cares? I'm gonna use it. We're gonna really test this palette today. Let me tell you what. Okay. Yeah, this one's more blendable. It's fluffy brush. Ooh, okay. I am like zeroing you guys out. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Why is my camera doing this? Focus on me. Stop changing. Okay. Transition shade check. She's pinky. She's a lot pinker than I thought she would be. I thought it was gonna be like an orange undertone, but looking more coral to me. I don't know, guys. We're gonna have to play with her for a little bit. Kind of maybe finesse her or something, you know. She's messing up my vibe here. Anyways, for my crease here, I'm gonna use this prime rose color right here. Yes, she looks purpley, she looks pinky, she's prime rose. And we're gonna put this right on my outer edge now and kind of bring her forward to the inner corner like so. And I do want to blend this shade into the first one that I just applied, so I'm not really caring about the placement right now because I blend. Like my life depends on it blend. Yeah. I like it. It's so bright. Look at her. See, look it up close. You're like, oh my God, girl. How are you putting on this eyeshadow? Well, girl, let me show you like this. Like that. You don't gotta be too fancy. Hell no. I'm a mom. I'm on a freaking time frame. Half the time I got kids running around. You know how it is. There goes my light. Stop it. Don't change on people. Don't be doing that. Okay. Okay. I think I'm done applying this. Now I'm going to grab the first brush that I use with the lighter pink and dip it again. Just a little, not too much. Tap it off. And blend these two shades together. We are blending. We are blending. And I'm liking it. Oh, I kind of get like Barbie vibes, like Pinky. I think I want to use the purple on my lid. Let's find out what that's about. I'm getting zero fallout. Even on here, like you know when you dip into an eyeshadow and it like crumbles? It's really not. I would say this one's more than the light one that I'm using, but it's like barely there, non-existent. So you're really not wasting the color. I hate when you dip into a palette and it's like half gone the second time you use it. I don't think this one's gonna give you that problem, ladies. I really don't. And if she do, take her back. Be like, you know what? It's not the one. It's not the one. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. Okay, I'm having way too much fun today. Liking it, liking it. Okay, now for the actual lid. Because, you know, I have a fake lid. But this one's actual. We're gonna color her. Once I find a brush that I want to use. I kind of want to use that one, but it's, again, I need to clean my brushes. Like, who the am I kidding, right? Okay. Okay. So now I'm dipping into the lavender shade in the corner. Lavender, mommy. Ahí está. Ahí está. Ahí está, pa' que ves, huh? There's a little fallout. It's good. She good. Let's see if she applies without using like a cut crease, you know, on top of a concealer. Let's just see how she looks. On camera, it looks better. When I look right here, I'm like, she barely applied. But no, it does. And then I am using more of a blending brush, so it's not really packing on that pigment. But baby, I can see her now, okay? Yes. Can you see her? Because I can see her. Ay, mira. Wow. Yep. Hello. Now let's blend that into the crease. Yes. We don't want no striky little lines. We just want a even, smooth, like ombre effect. You know what I'm saying? This is not a cut crease. Look, honey. Ooh. Okay, okay. Oh my God, the other day my nephew slapped me so hard in my face. Like at the moment, I really didn't feel it, right? Because I'm trying to shake it off. I'm like, whatever, just got hit. It was like wham, like a backhand. Never in my life. So my face is tingling. FYI, if you're wondering. Isaac, if you're looking, if you're watching this video, your son smacked me in the fucking face. You were there, you know. So that happened to me yesterday. Or the day before, I don't know. My days are off. He hit me so hard. I don't even know. Oh. Okay. I like it, girls. Wow. It makes me want to go get the other ones. There's a green neon one, and I was like, when the heck am I going to wear those? Any of those shades. But applying this one, I feel like I could do a lot with that. Mix of shades, so I'm gonna go pick that one up next. But I'm feeling this one. I'm feeling it. On top, there is this little purpley. It's pinkily purpley. I don't know. Should I use that one or this one? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Because I'm a J. Just kidding. I don't know why I did that. But we're gonna put this on my finger like this, and I'm gonna dab this on the center of that lid. Just to kind of see if it even does anything. If not, I'll apply it with the wet brush. Let's see. Yeah, she didn't do shit. She didn't do shit. So let me go wet a brush. I'll be right back. We're gonna wet this brush. Oh my god, look at that. Irala, irala, irala. We wet her. Now let's go back into that middle shiny purple here, this shin. And we're just gonna dig in there because the way it applied off my finger, I'm like, girl, you were dead. But, a ver qué tal. Let's not focus on how white my face is right now. It's because I baked and then I wiped it and then I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna start over after I do my eye look anyway, so I didn't care. Maybe with my finger wet? I don't... Okay. Okay. Yeah. So dampen your finger apparently, or the eyeshadow color, and then apply with the finger. So it can like stick. Okay. I do see you. I think I was more happier looking at it. But now I'm like, okay. She's cute. Okay, let's see this eye. The shade is like dampened on here, so let's see if it'll apply my finger. Oh, ¿Ya ves? ¿Ya ves? Así. No diga que no. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. I am digging in there, guys. I'm literally for that much payoff. Okay. Press and dab, press and dab, press and dab, press and dab. It's so pretty. Like, I don't even care that it's taking me like 3 minutes to put on this one shimmer shade. Maybe if I did like a cut crease and on top of the concealer and then apply, she would look a lot more vibrant. But I'm liking this particular eye look that I'm doing. So I just dampened this tiny little brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna use the bottom one. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. So let's try her, and let's put her right here. Honestly, guys, I'm not feeling her. Let me try to apply her on the top right here with my finger because that didn't even work. Okay. Yeah, I like her there better. So that same shade with my finger. And on top of the other shimmery. Yes, okay. Okay. Way better. Okay, we're gonna do that. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay. Ya sé, ya tuvo. Ya tuvo. For under eye right here. Right here, girl. I see you. I'm going to pick up the brightest pink in the palette right here. That's going to go under my eye. And we're going to see how that looks. Sometimes you can look like ghostly, but let's find out. And I'm just using a flat brush here. And going ham. Under eye. She dark. Ooh. Oh, cha walla, cha bang bang. Oh. I like it. It almost makes my eyes look bigger, to be honest with you. Did I just open up my eyes? Okay. I like it. I'm feeling it. And now, I don't know. I really like the pink that I swatched on my hand earlier, this one. But I think if I add it, it has to go like back here, right? Let's try it. Pinky first into that shade. And dabbing it in. Yeah, just to give it some kind of life. Just because I want to see it. I want to try every shade in here. Yeah, just a little life. I. Okay. I'm going to pick up that first brush that I used with this light shade. Remember, I'm going to use her and dip it into that shimmer corner and buff this in because I do like it. We're going for summery, sparkly, beautifully, pinkly vibes. Okay. Yes. Y ya estuvo la cosa. Kind of play with it a little. I like this. I'm feeling this. Well, those are all the shades that I'm going to be using from this palette. I don't know, I think I was expecting a little more like pow, but I still do like the eyeshadows. They performed very well, and she's cute. She's worth the buy, I think. I would definitely go and get her, pick her up if you don't have these shades or you are really into it for the summer. Like, it's not bad. It's just, I think I was like, okay, she's cute. I'm going to do this. Because when I swatched it on my hand, it was like, wow. And then I put it on my eyelid, and it's like, not today. Not today. Okay, ladies. So, final thoughts on this palette. So, obviously, I got the rest of my face situated off camera. Because, girl, you know, I needed it. Added a pink lip to kind of go with. But this palette, I want to say it's good. Go get it. I liked it. It's definitely a hit, not a miss. If you're looking for that, like, oh my god, wow factor, maybe if you apply it differently and use, you know, like a cut crease look, if you really want that shimmer to be super vibrant, like I thought of it in my head, that would work for you. But girl, no complaints. None at all. I am keeping this. We're going to be living together for a minute because this pink, this Barbie pink for the summer, sorry, not sorry, I'm going to be wearing it. Yes. So when you see me out in the streets with this pink, you know it's from Huda Beauty. Neon Pink Obsessions palette. Yes. You know what I just noticed too, guys? That on the packaging, it doesn't say Pink Obsession on it anywhere. But on the plastic part that I took it out of, let me see. Off camera. I had to pick it up, it fell on the floor. On this one, it does say it. It says Neon Pink Obsessions right here. But on this piece, I don't see it anywhere. So you're just looking at Huda Beauty Neon, and then you'll know from the color of it, I guess, that's what it's called. But after a while, you know, you're gonna forget. So I don't know if that was her intentions, but anyways, definitely go get this one. It's the pink one, and all the colors are just so gorgeous. I'm sure after playing with it for a little bit longer, I'll get it going. You know what I mean? Like, I'll be able to be like, girl, I'll do it like this, not like this. But for right now, this is what I ended up with. I did a blue line to kind of go, because it has that, like, I want to say like holographic, because you know you see little blue tones with that purpley shimmer ones. So I thought it would just be cute, a different look to put some blue eyeliner on with my pink lip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I told y'all in the beginning of my video, but if you forgot, go ahead and subscribe because I love you, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.